Introducing the flexible Macintosh Interchangeable Laryngoscope set from Stellmacher Instruments. Precision crafted for reliable airway management during medical and surgical procedures. This six-piece set features reusable high-quality blades in various sizes, ideal for both pediatric and adult patients. Paired with an ergonomic handle, it ensures exceptional control and precision. The handle features a convenient changeable battery system, ensuring uninterrupted performance during critical procedures. Equipped with advanced fiber optic technology, the Cold Light Guide delivers bright, shadow-free illumination, optimizing visibility while maintaining patient safety. The interchangeable design allows for fast and secure blade replacements, adapting seamlessly to any clinical situation. Choose Stellmacher Instruments for innovative solutions.